Community and Rural Development kalayok pedang palat Shipau teli ki Jingtyrwa naga benta ki C&Rd blok ki Thymmai kentup yakawai naka nong telu matan Marmain Development Forum lani NMMDF balai lam da UMLA ke UDP uba Melbourne SIM naga benta bentau yaka Umden blok naka Umling blok ka baladon lupa kajing temu jong kene ke blok kalong ban kentup ya shispa arpau haduk shispa laipau teli ki Shnong. Menteri Ketnat C&Rd Aiti mondal ula pentikna ba on sabisha benya ya kini ke Jingtyrwa. Ula ubak SIM ula tumuru ban lek ya kendu yo menteri rang ba kejela ban pen urlong ya kita ke Jingtyrwa.
We hope that the government in due course of time, at the time of taking a decision for the creation of new C&Rd block, Umden C&Rd block will be one of them, and I hope that the positivity approach of the government, as well as the initiative taken and the aspiration of the people at large, which include in more than 120, 130 up to 150 villages, which fall under Umden block, proposed Umden C&Rd block, and I hope they will see the light of the day.
Kibor penyak distrik Jongkari